Welcome to Tector. We are going to show you how to create and delete subgroups in Tector app. Navigate to Group Hierarchy and press the plus icon to create a subgroup. Enter the subgroup name. Position the cursor over the newly created subgroup and click the Add or Remove Devices icon in the upper right corner. Now, fill out the IDs of the sensors you want to add. Press Update. Navigate to your main project group in the group hierarchy. Go to the Sensors tab. Then check the checkboxes of the desired sensors in the list view. Press the Create Subgroup button. You will be automatically transferred to the newly created subgroup. From there, click the Tools icon on the top right corner and press Edit. Change the subgroup title to the desired name and press Update. Locate your subgroup in the group hierarchy. Click on the little tool icon at the top right corner and press Delete. This is the simplest way to delete a subgroup. Another option is to go to the group hierarchy view and press on the subgroup you want to delete. Then click the Tools icon in the top right corner and press Delete.